Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft App Center for Build Analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft App Center website. Once you arrive at the home page, locate the sign in option at the top right corner. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account, look for the sign up option and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will then receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email from Microsoft and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the App Center website. Log in again using your credentials. After you successfully log in, you will be directed to the App Center dashboard. Here, click on the Add New or Get Started button to create a new app. In the pop-up window, select the platform of your app, whether it's iOS, Android, or Windows. Next, fill in the required fields, such as the name of your app and a brief description. Once you've completed the form, click on the Add App button. You will now see your app listed in the dashboard. To enable Build Analytics, navigate to the Build section on the left sidebar. Turn on the build service by clicking the toggle switch. You may need to configure your repository, so select the source of your code, such as GitHub or Azure DevOps. Follow the prompts to connect your selected repository. Select the branch you want to build from and configure your build settings. Make sure to adjust the settings according to your project requirements. Once everything is set up, click on the Save button to finalize your configuration. Your app is now configured in Microsoft App Center for Build Analytics. You can check the build logs and analytics once the builds start running. Monitor your app's performance through the Analytics dashboard. You are now ready to leverage Microsoft App Center for your app's build analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.